Performing 343 divide by 8, using long division. Three is not enough to divide by 8.
The 300s are carried to the tens, forming 34. 34, divide by 8 equals 4, remainder 2. Since the 34 are tens, we add 4 to the quotient, and reduce the dividend by 32. The dividend is now down to 23. 2 multiply by 8 equals 16, therefore 23 divide by 8 equals 2, remainder 7. Add 2 mushrooms to the quotient and subtract the dividend by 16, leaving 7. The answer to 343 divided by 8 equals 42, remainder 7.